My parents-in-law came to visit me in Thailand. What can I do? How can I get rid of them? I have an idea. Naturally, I was joking. If you come to Chiang Mai, you can come in this park, is the Tiger Kingdom, and you can see these beautiful tigers. There is different kind of tigers. The one that you see in my back is the white tiger, but there is many, like I show you now in the videos. The videos that you will see is from last year. Last year I went alone with my wife and some friends. This year I came with my parents-in-law. They want to see and touch the tiger, so we went again. So you will see me differently, dressed differently, also with different hair, I hope, better than today. And I think that is something very nice. You will see there they didn't receive drugs, pills or stuff like that. During the day they sleep a lot, usually 15 hours a day, but you can see that they are very alive. You will see in the video later. Let's start from the babies because they are very funny. The tiger cubs, you can see they are like kittens. They want to play fun. So you can enter in the cage with them, you can play with them, you can feed them, you can make the picture, but only for 10-15 minutes because they don't want to stress the animal. This is why also the light is very low, sorry, but they keep low because also too much light, too much people, too much high sound can stress the animal, so they take care very well, like you can see. Also you can feed them, like you can see now they are giving the meat to them. You can feed them with the milk, like you can see now they are doing. And remember that they are growing, so if you will come in 6 months they will be already bigger than now. Last time when I went, the white tigers that you can see now, they have only 7 months. Now after 1 year they are big enough to stay alone with other tigers. So depend, they are burning new tigers every year, so more or less you can find always some babies. Like you can see, it's not dangerous.
My goodness. Shall we change tiger?
The tiger was not so happy to be touched, like you can see. After we become good friends. Why they keep the tigers in a park and they don't leave them in the wild? It's true that they get money, but the problem is the black market. So when they are in the wild they could be killed. Very often they are killed for the pelts, for the teeth, or for other parts of the tiger that people believe they are aphrodisiacs. A grand final around 4:30, 5 p.m. you can see a show, the show that this tiger is making. For the tiger is fun, but for us is spectacular. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember that now I have also Instagram page. Remember to subscribe also to this YouTube channel, to share this video with your friends, and always to write a nice comment. Bye bye!